Here's a shift worth noting. Better healthcare is care that meets patients where they are. United Health Group is bringing it directly to living rooms. This is a win for patients managing chronic conditions. And here's the interesting thing. By closing those care gaps, administering in-home exams, and identifying risks earlier, more diseases can be prevented and patient outcomes can improve. In 2025 alone, United Health Group patients received over 19 million home visits. Learn more at unitedhealthgroup.com/commitment.
Medical notes this week. Is keto the key to a more resilient brain? Research in the Journal of Neurochemistry shows that a high-fat, low-carb diet may preserve cognitive health. It provides an alternative energy source for brains that struggle to process glucose. Scientists also found that mice with the strongest genetic risk factor for Alzheimer's had healthier gut bacteria and more brain energy. These findings suggest that tailoring a person's diet to their specific DNA could be a powerful tool in slowing or stopping the signs of decline. The hidden weight of a brain tumor may be doing more damage than the cancer itself. A study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences reveals that chronic physical pressure on the brain triggers neurons to begin a programmed self-destruction sequence. The compression activates an inflammatory response, a sign that neuron damage and death is coming. Researchers hope this finding will inform future treatments to help protect healthy neurons and prevent motor impairment and cognitive decline. Can an injection repair a broken heart? Researchers have developed a shot that can speed up healing after a heart attack. It's injected into skeletal muscle to help the body release hormones that protect the heart and support healing. By tapping into the body's own defense systems, researchers hope this shot helps preserve healthy muscle and potentially stop the long-term decline into heart failure. The research is published in the journal Science. And finally, the difference between a true confession and a false one may simply be a good night's rest. A research synthesis published in Psychology, Public Policy, and Law argues that the U.S. legal system dangerously overlooks how sleep deprivation distorts evidence. By failing to account for fatigue, the justice system risks getting unreliable statements from witnesses who, in their exhaustion, become highly susceptible to suggestive tactics and memory errors. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Maayan Voss Bettancourt.
Burlington knows you cannot forget Mother's Day. And be real, texting your sibling to add your name to their card isn't enough. Instead, head to your newly refreshed Burlington, where it's easier to shop for deals that'll make Mom proud. Find fragrances from perfume to candles or opt for a brand name bag. Plus, your store had a glow up, so it's more fun to shop for those special women in your life. Mom is wow upside down after all. Burlington, deals, brands, wow.